Every great story begins with a single seed, a promise of growth.
Our journey begins here, in the expansive peanut fields, where every plant is nurtured with care to produce the finest peanuts.
Peanuts grow underground, hidden beneath the soil, requiring careful cultivation and monitoring.
Modern machinery lifts peanut plants from the earth, separating pods with minimal damage. Freshly harvested pods are collected carefully to preserve quality. Skilled workers ensure only the best pods move forward in the process. Transporting peanuts quickly preserves freshness as they move to the next stage.
Washing removes dirt and impurities, preparing peanuts for drying.
As the day ends, the fields rest crowning, ready for the next step in the peanuts journey.
After harvest, peanuts are carefully spread out to dry naturally under the sun, reducing moisture content for safe storage. Uniform drying is essential to prevent mold and preserve quality.
Regular turning ensures every peanut dries evenly, maintaining freshness. In addition to sun drying, controlled mechanical drying ensures optimal moisture levels. Careful temperature control prevents over-drying or damage.
Experts monitor moisture levels continuously to guarantee quality.
Non-invasive sensors measure moisture content without damaging the peanuts. Airflow circulation accelerates drying while preserving peanut quality.
Regular sampling ensures every batch meets strict moisture standards.
With moisture perfectly controlled, peanuts are ready for quality inspection and further processing.
Every peanut undergoes a thorough quality inspection to ensure only the best reach our customers.
Manual inspection allows for precise removal of imperfect peanuts and contaminants.
Advanced optical sorting technology identifies and removes peanuts that don't meet strict quality standards. Air jets efficiently separate unwanted peanuts without damaging the good ones. Detailed inspection ensures even the smallest defects are caught. Data-driven quality control helps maintain consistent standards across every batch.
Collaboration ensures continuous improvement in quality assurance.
Only peanuts that meet our high standards proceed to cleaning and further processing.
With rigorous inspection complete, our peanuts are ready for cleaning and preparation for the next stage.
After inspection, peanuts enter the cleaning zone, where dust and debris are thoroughly removed. Vibrating screens efficiently separate unwanted particles from the peanuts. High-velocity air jets remove fine dust, ensuring peanuts are clean and ready for processing. Magnetic separators protect product purity by removing any metallic contaminants. Operators ensure cleaning systems run smoothly and efficiently at all times. Every peanut is thoroughly cleaned to meet the highest quality standards. Clean peanuts are transported carefully to maintain their pristine condition.
Our state-of-the-art cleaning facility ensures peanuts are free from impurities before further processing.
Our state-of-the-art cleaning facility ensures peanuts are free from impurities before further processing. Post-cleaning quality checks guarantee peanuts meet strict cleanliness standards.
The shelling process begins by carefully cracking the tough peanut shells without damaging the kernels inside.
Precision engineering ensures shells break cleanly, preserving the valuable kernels.
Operators continuously monitor and fine-tune the process to maintain quality and throughput.
Automated systems separate kernels with high accuracy, minimizing waste.
Separated kernels are transported carefully to preserve their quality. Each kernel's quality is visible in its texture and color, a sign of careful processing. Our advanced facility combines automation and skilled labor for efficient shelling. Quality control ensures only clean, intact kernels proceed to sorting. With shells cracked and kernels separated, peanuts are ready for sorting and grading. After shelling, peanut kernels are carefully separated and sorted to ensure purity and quality. Vibrating screens efficiently separate kernels from any remaining shell fragments.
Advanced optical sorting technology identifies and removes defective kernels.
Air jets precisely separate kernels by size and weight, maintaining product consistency.
Manual inspection complements automation to guarantee top quality.
Data-driven sorting ensures consistent quality across every batch. Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality. Our sorting facility combines cutting-edge technology with skilled oversight. With sorting complete, peanuts are ready for blanching, skin removal, and roasting. Sorted kernels are carefully transported to packaging lines.
After sorting, peanuts are graded meticulously by size and quality to meet market standards.
Optical grading technology ensures only the finest peanuts are selected.
Optical grading technology ensures only the finest peanuts are selected.
Manual inspection complements automated grading to guarantee excellence. Data-driven grading maintains consistent standards across every batch. Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality. Graded peanuts are carefully transported to packaging lines.
With grading complete, peanuts are ready for blanching, skin removal, and roasting.
Blanching is the first step to remove the peanut skins, enhancing texture and flavor.
Careful soaking softens the skins without damaging the kernels.
Even agitation ensures consistent blanching across every peanut. Mechanical skin removal follows blanching, revealing smooth, clean kernels. Removed skins are collected separately for sustainable disposal or reuse. Removed skins are collected separately for sustainable disposal or reuse.
Precise temperature control ensures perfect roasting without burning.
Experienced operators monitor roasting to maintain consistent quality.
Rapid cooling preserves freshness and prevents over-roasting.
With roasting complete, peanuts are now ready for packaging and labeling.
Ensuring food safety is paramount. Our advanced laboratory rigorously tests peanuts for contaminants and toxins.
Samples are meticulously prepared to guarantee accurate testing results.
Specialized equipment detects aflatoxin levels, ensuring peanuts meet strict safety standards.
Real-time data allows for immediate quality control decisions. Microscopic analysis reveals even the smallest impurities.
All data is securely logged for transparency and regulatory compliance.
Our team collaborates to maintain the highest food safety standards.
Our integrated approach ensures safety from farm to final product.
Only peanuts that pass rigorous testing proceed to packaging.
With safety assured, peanuts are ready for final packaging and delivery.
Our advanced packaging line ensures every bag of peanuts is filled, sealed, and labeled with care and accuracy.
Precision filling guarantees consistent weight and quality in every package.
Sealing locks in freshness, protecting peanuts from moisture and air.
Our labeling system ensures every package is clearly branded and ready for the market.
Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards.
Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues. Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment.
Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition.
Our peanuts begin their journey to markets around the globe.
Finally, our peanuts reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
From the very first seed planted to the final package, every peanut tells a story of passion, precision, and care.